Hi. In this video, we will see how part weight of an item is defined in a blink of an eye. In the stock statement you can see secondary unit in grams and also in kgs. In this example, we see here that for Allen bolt part weight is not yet defined. Go to Edit an Item Master, in Material Management. Click the link for Define Part Weight of Items. Enter Allen bolt. We set part weight as, for example, 30 gram. Click Tab. That's it. If we check again in stock in hand report, Allen bolt stock is multiplied by 30 gram for grams and kgs too. simpliRP is the simplest way for material management. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.